What's up, guys? This is Lisan from Learning Life Lessons with Lisan, and today I got another back market video. So let's start it. And this time I got the gold version of the iPhone XS. I got two of them actually, 64 gigabytes in the good condition. And I got them about just a couple hours ago. If you can see, my hands are covered in paint, so I was painting for my other job is painting. So I just came home. I just opened the seal a little bit just to see what they look like, but I really haven't done much to them. So let's see what they look like. All right, guys, so this is the box. I just have it flipped upside down just so that you don't see my address. So let's get it open. So those are the phones, and then under here, let's check what's under here. So they gave us two of the lightning adapters, and it's not USB-C, which is great because I've been getting some of the USB-C ones and they're annoying. So two of those, and then just kind of I think a receipt or something. So that's it. And then these are the phones. So let's open them up. All right, so I got them out of that. They came very nicely wrapped, and I did check on them just a couple seconds ago, so that's why they're already on. Man, it's hard to hold the camera and try to take this out. All right, so that's the first one. And this is the second one. Oh my gosh. All right, so two of them. And I was actually really surprised how good they are for the good condition. So first one, the screen is amazing. Again, it's a little hard to see at this angle. But the backside, I mean, if you look at that, it's perfect. It looks brand new, no scratches. The side bezels look amazing. This golden color is so pretty. This is the XS from like 2018. So I mean, for that, it looks amazing. I haven't checked the battery health or anything yet. So first one looks amazing. And the second one, again, I don't see any scratches at all on the screen. Bezels look amazing, no chips or cracks or anything. The Apple logo doesn't have a bunch of smudge. There aren't any dust particles and stuff. Sometimes it dirt and stuff sticks onto it. The ports look good. The speakers look good too. So I mean, it looks amazing. They look brand new. So far I'm very pleased. Display looks good. Okay, so now let's hop in. I'm gonna sign in. All right, before I actually log into them, let me just show what it looks like in the light. So what I do notice a little bit on just on this one is there's a couple smudges around the speakers, but it's barely noticeable in the sunlight. And this is a very shiny bezel, like the golden bezel, so it's very hard to notice. But everything else is perfect. All right, so now I'm in. I just gotta agree to all this crap. It'll take me a couple seconds. All right, guys, I'm in. Swipe, swipe. All right, so for the first one, let's check the battery health. So we will go into battery. And then battery health. So this one's at 82%, which isn't, I mean, it's not amazing, but for a used phone, I mean, it's okay. Notifications. Battery health. Okay, so it's telling me, that's weird. Important battery message, unable to verify this phone has a genuine Apple battery. Health information not available for this battery. Apple has updated device information for this iPhone. So I think it's just they must have replaced the battery, and I don't know if it's updated or something, but I think I'll have to see what that means. But yeah, back market, they have people who replace batteries, and Apple has all these new updates saying that they don't, they want to make sure everything put in there is safe for iPhones. So I think that's why. Hopefully it will update and say it's okay, but that is kind of a concern there. So I'm not sure about the battery health on that. So, but if I go to about, it should tell me. So for the battery, that's the unknown part. It's a SIM locked phone because it's AT&T. I forgot to tell you guys it's AT&T. Again, that's SIM locked in AT&T. But yeah, iPhone XS. So they gave me the right models. So far it's good. I'm just worried about the battery on this one because it's good to know, you know, I might need to contact them. It's always good to double check, but I had that happen to a phone that I got, another phone that I got from Back Market. I think it was my iPhone 12 Pro, and the display was the unknown part, and it did cause some issues. I did send it back to them. It worked great, but once every 3 or 4 days, it would freeze for like 5 seconds, or no, it would freeze for until you like reset it. So you have to power it off and then reset it. So I'm gonna contact them about that. But this one's perfect. So just make sure to contact them. Make sure it's all good because they do replace stuff, and you want to make sure that you're gonna be okay. But the thing that's cool about Back Market is you can. I mean, I sent that phone, the iPhone 12 Pro, back to them 4 months later, and they still gave me a full refund. So I feel very confident about that. So if I have any issues, I can always send it back to them. Something that I really trust. I bought a lot of phones from them. So I'm not worried about that. But yeah, so far I mean, the touch works, everything works. Let's test the camera, make sure. We're gonna continue. Take a picture. Let's take a picture of this phone. Check it. Camera works. And then now that I actually also have Wi-Fi, so we can do a quick lookup just to make sure. Let's do cats, you know. So yep, it does it. I mean, things work. Apps open and close. Camera works. Display is fine. I mean, not concerned about it. But if I have any issues, I will make sure to contact them. And then let's test this one. So the camera also works well, takes pictures, check it in photos. Picture does work. I mean, it shows it. And then, sorry, I'm going so quick. We will look up cat again. It's really hard to hold I can't hold another phone and then hold the camera and another phone in your hand at the same time. I don't know. I just I can't do two at once. All right, so that works. You can open and close apps. Another thing I test is the buttons, the power buttons. You can hear that click, which means it doesn't have very many issues. It turns on and off, so that's good. Let's test this one. Volume buttons is always good to check too. And then also the, you know, what is it? Silent mode. Silent mode also works. Check this one out. Let's see. I don't know if you can hear it, but it sounds good. The volume button works. The flashlight also works. So everything's working well. And this is the these are both the iPhone XS. I got them under $200. I think it was like $197. And they both seem like really good phones. But yeah, that's about it. All right, guys. So thanks for watching. Again, it's always good to, you know, talk about the positives and negatives of buying used stuff. I really support it. You just want to be really careful, just because, I mean, they're used. They may have issues. They may have problems. But I think what's really cool about Back Market is they will take whatever they sold to you back. They'll give you, you know, either a full refund, a partial refund, or they'll give you a new device, a different one. And I mean, again, I bought a lot of stuff from them, and I've had to return a couple. I haven't, you know, overall, they've been really good. Like this battery, for example, on this one, I'm a little worried about, just because it doesn't say. because they replaced it, I think. But if I do have any issues, I'm able to just message them and send it back, and they'll take care of it for me. So I'm not worried about that. But yeah, I think Back Market is a great place to buy stuff. I made a lot of videos. If you guys want to check out some more of them, they're in my channel. But yeah, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, just put them down in the comment section. I'm happy to answer them. But I hope you guys have a good week.